Chapter 29. Active and Passive Voice. Read the sentences given below. Rita stitched the dress. The dress was stitched by Rita. The boy repaired the cycle. The cycle was repaired by the boy. The animals broke the fence. The fence was broken by the animals. Each pair of sentences describes the same activities, but the sentences in the pair are different. The subjects of the sentences in blue are Rita, boy, animals. The subjects of the sentences in red are dress, cycle, fence. The subjects of the sentences in blue are the doers of the actions. The subject is active. The subjects of the sentences in red are the receivers of the action. The subject is passive. When the subject of a sentence is the doer of the action, the verb used is in the active voice. When the subject is the receiver or recipient of the action, the verb used is in the passive voice. How to change voice? While changing the sentence into passive voice, keep the following points in mind. For requests, the action in the passive voice does not pass on to this object. The action in the passive voice does not pass on to the object. It remains with the subject. Example: please give me a pencil. Active. You are requested to give me a pencil. Passive. For commands, let is used in the passive voice. Example: keep the book. Active. Let the book be kept by you. Passive. For questions, the passive voice in questions will also be in question form. Example: are my words encouraging you? Active. Are you being encouraged by my words? Passive. Remember, when we change a sentence from active voice to the passive voice, we make few changes. The object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. The verb changes into be plus past participle form of the verb. The meaning of the sentence does not change. The subject in the passive voice becomes by plus the doer of the action. The tense does not change in passive voice. Example: the mouse disturbed the dog. Active voice. The dog, subject, was disturbed. Be plus past participle of the verb by the mouse. By plus doer. A few examples of changes in different tense forms are given below. Active voice: disturb. Simple present. Passive voice: is disturbed. Simple present. Is disturbing. Present continuous. Is disturbing. Present continuous. Is being disturbed. Present continuous. Disturbed. Simple past. Was disturbed. Simple past. Was disturbing. Past continuous. Was being disturbed. Past continuous.